Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to download BitPay application on your Android device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now, find and open Play Store application on your device. After that, click on the Search tab which is at the bottom of your screen. In the search bar, type in BitPay and click on Search. And you will see an icon like this. Simply click on Install button. Your download may take some time depending on your internet speed. After the download is completed, installation will be automatically started. After the installation is done, simply click on Open button. You can also find the application on your home screen. Simply tap on it to use it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.